Listen and practice. My daily routine. Every morning I wake up at 5 a.m. to the sound of my brother's alarm, which wakes me up. Exercising in the morning keeps me energetic and active the entire day. The fresh aroma of roasted coffee beans from the kitchen indicates coffee time. Later, I diligently sit for my morning studies and revise the previous day's concepts. By 8 a.m., I ready for school. My mother prepares a delicious breakfast which I eat while watching the daily news along with my brother. 8:30 a.m. I leave for school on my bicycle. Halfway, my friends join me. After lunch, I prefer light walking and freshening up for the afternoon study session. Classes end by 3:30 p.m. After school, I go to the playground with my basketball team, where we practice for 2 hours, and I reach home by 6 p.m. I finish my homework before supper. Before going to bed, I prepare for the next day at school. Weekends are more relaxed. Mornings are usually spent cycling with friends. Afternoons, I help my mother grocery shop and cook in the kitchen. In the evening, I visit my grandma and have dinner with her.